really need a glove.
Welcome to the very rare occasional ice day in South Carolina. All right.
I still got my third.
Mary! Alright, let's get through this.
All right.
Let's go, guys.
Let's go, Diana. We're going on an adventure.
Going on an adventure! Holy crap!
Yeah, you missed it. A big, huge branch fell earlier.
I see it!
No, it was over there.
It was over there? Holy shit! Was it from our tree or the one next door?
That big tree right there.
Shit!
What?
Oh, we need to check that first.
I already checked it. It fell that way.
Oh, that way?
Yeah.
I want to see that either. Just like you said.
There's a bunch of old branches over there.
I'm so well prepared for the winter.
It's South Carolina. We're not used to this kind of winter.
Usually it's the hot summer.
Our winter is hot, warm, literally warm, freezing off cold. Oh, it's slippery.
Yeah. See? Oh, there's that one right there. See that one?
Mom's gonna be pissed. Landed on her azaleas.
Yeah.
Mom is going to be
Damn weather. It fell that one was over there.
It looks so cute.
Oh, there's one that fell over there.
Look at it. It looks so cool. It's a deadly ass piece of shit, but it looks so cool.
Alright.
I want to hit it up with something.
Do it.
I want to hit some. Let's go hit. Oh, this is heavy.
Is that dogs?
Yep.
They're not happy.
I want to hit it against
Because
some.
of the rain and the freezing weather.
Hit the mailbox. Okay, then hit that tree.
That's what he's gonna do.
Holy crap!
Like exploded.
Oh, he's gonna run right over that branch. Let's go move that branch before anything like.
Because school get canceled because of this, because you have to do it drive.
I do not like weather like this. I hate this kind of weather.
So do I. Why do you think I live in South Carolina?
I can't do that with the rain.
I can barely see anything. I'm messed up. Nah.
Okay, Wayne, do not break this umbrella. We do not need that.
Please don't break the umbrella.
Why does it have to be so cold?
Good. Well, I'll go back home and get one at home.
There's
There's more in there, yard. Right in front of the step.
holy crap.
We always get the word. At our house.
Oh, there it goes, there it goes. Look. Look at the branches. You see that one? That branch is just...
Nope.
Look at the telephone pole. Look at the pole.
Holy
bottom.
cow!
There's that one in the back first. Oh, crap. It's that
go take care of that branch real quick. Talk about your roadblock.
And it's also in their driveway. It's also in the driveway.
Stop complaining, Diana.
I don't know, why are you really looking at this? Why are you looking at Holy mackerel.
Uh-oh. Dang. I think I caught it on video. I think.
Holy mackerel.
I usually spot me when I'm looking for it's not playground. It's 3, 4 branches.
This is like a rainstorm.
Keep your eyes on the back, please. You're not spotted.
And hey, so you don't get covered in ice?
So I don't get hit by a drill.
So wait, what do you want me to do?
Videotape her moving those.
Alright. Oh, I see where some broke from.
I know. My hands are almost frozen.
You'll be okay. Just chill. Stand over there so I can get...
So that's why water is so moving. That's why there's so much food on these days.
Not food.
Water.
This is heavy, man.
It is? Holy crap, Ollie.
I'm not going to be holding it because my hands are trying to hold it.
Watch out!
That bench fell out of the way, thank God.
What really needs to be moved is those branches.
Yeah. I was moving the big ones out of the driveway. Oh, shit. I'm scared now. Right, you guys stay on that side. There's falling. I'm scared now. Guys, hit my leg.
It's okay.
And I don't want ice cream.
I told you to watch out.
I wonder this.
Yeah, move the big huge one in the middle of the street. Oh, that little one in the middle of the street.
Why?
Cause that one's still pretty big. Like, if a car were to drive by here, they could not go past.
Another one coming!
Don't stop, you're good. Just the wind. Feel like we're in road construction right now.
Then we just be having salt so we can clear it up.
You got it?
That's heavy.
Okay, I don't know about you, but that wind scared me. Well, I thought I heard a crack of one of these branches right here.
I'm scared of that branch. The branch closest to us.
Yeah, that is a pretty big branch. It looks like it's about to fall. Rawr. Right?
So this is why they don't want to come to school.
I'm glad I'm doing this. I'm really not liking it.
Got one more big branch to move. I would go over there to help you. And there's more of a likely chance that I'll get hurt too.
No cars. So
Yep. Still got a good bit of battery too. I'm not talking about this battery, I'm talking about the other battery. Watch out! Okay, you're good. I thought I was closer by. That's why I yelled. You're good.
that
After you move that branch out of the way, it should be better.
that's a
At least people should be able to get by.
tree. That would be scary.
You can move that out of the way with your feet, yeah.
You can kick this. Come kick this.
You record.
Try not to get too much in the ditch. Come on, Diana, back up. Shit.